Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today I'll show you how to install Spyder taillights on this 2023 Ford Bronco. Tools I'll be using for the installation: ratchet, extension, 10mm socket, 8mm socket, 7mm socket, Phillips Screwdriver, small Pry Tool, panel popper, plastic trim remover, and masking tape. Now let's get started. Let's start by applying masking tape to prevent any damages. Next, we have to uninstall the fender flare, so turn the 5 tabs in the unlock position and carefully unclip the fender flare. Now repeat the same process on the opposite side. Open up your tailgate. This next step, we have to remove these 4 retainer clips that are secured with a plastic Phillips head. It's also secured by 2 10mm bolts. Now we can carefully remove the cover. Remove 1 10mm bolt securing the body panel. Using your trim remover, we will carefully unclip the body panel from here and here. Close the tailgate. Remove 1 10mm bolt securing the tail light. And 2 more 8mm bolts securing the tail light. Carefully unclip your tail light. Unplug your tail light by pressing down on the tab. This next step, make sure you have something clean and soft to set the lens on. We have to transfer over the taillight bracket, so we need to remove 4 7mm bolts. Go ahead and disconnect your harness from the taillight. Slide the red clip to unlock the connector. Press on the tab to unplug it. Carefully lift up on this clip to disconnect the connector from the bracket. Bring over your Spyder taillight, turn it to the back. Go ahead and run your harness through the bracket, line it up with the holes, reinstall the 4 7mm bolts securing the bracket onto the taillight. Clip your wires in position. Clip the connector in place. Now we're ready to install our taillight. Bring over your Spyder taillight. When seating your taillight in place, be sure to line up the guide pin. So go ahead and plug in your taillight. Carefully seat your taillight in place. Reinstall your 2 8mm bolts. Reinstall the 10mm bolt. Carefully reinstall the body panel. Be sure to line up the guide pins and the clips. Reinstall the 10mm bolt securing the body panel. Reinstall the cover. Carefully reinstall the 4 retainer clips and gently tighten the Phillips head. Reinstall the 2 10mm bolts. Now repeat the same process on the opposite side. Close your tailgate. Reinstall your fender flare. Be sure to line up the clips and the guide pins. Be sure to turn the 5 tabs to lock the fender flare. Remove the masking tape. Now that we're finished with the installation, let's test the tail light functions.